All right. Hey, everybody. Good morning. Trading is all done on my end. I wish I could have participated in more of this movement. We dropped like almost 400 points, right? So I'm sure some of you grabbed a lot more than I did. And if you did, congratulations on those profits. I'm still just trying to scalp tiny bits here and there to minimize the risk of getting stopped out at break even on potential winners while getting fully stopped out on bad trades. So that's why I'm just scraping along here. 343 and 308 on two of my PAs. And I also copied to an eval with 3 contracts instead of 1. So that's why it's 1016. And as you can see, I'm continuing the painful journey of only copying to 1 or 2 PAs, just really trying to get each one past the minimum safety net. You know, just January and December were really hard. And it was hard to have even 3 days of losing trades in a row if I'm copying to all of my accounts, even just using 1 contract. It was just mentally very tough, and it made me far more likely and susceptible to the desire to get them back to green, which if you have experience, you know, you don't do that, at least unless maybe you're some sort of amazing trader. I'm not an amazing trader. That's why I'm building a bot. My friend who taught me insists that if I didn't use my bot and I just traded myself for 6 months, then I would be doing amazing. But unfortunately, I can't even watch the market during most mornings from market open to around 11 a.m. So I need a bot to trade for me. So I have to be a little bit extra careful, you know? So the first trade was a long and the second trade was a short. It doesn't really matter because I'm only getting, you know, a few points here and there. So what's the plan when my buffer on these accounts is high enough? And what is high enough? Well, to me, high enough is probably somewhere between 1,000 to 2,000 buffer above the minimum safety net. And what am I going to do? I'm going to start changing my trade settings to allow it to have a far off profit target, and it'll trail the stop at 10 levels. So if you sell at 40 and price goes down to 30, you know, it will have probably moved it to break even, moved the stop to break even by then. But if it passes 20, like 21,120, then the stop gets moved to 21,130. If it goes to 21,110, then the stop moves down to 21,120. I also have a different setting that trails the stop at swing levels on either the 15-second or the 2-second data series. But in my experience, the 10 level is able to capture more profits because sometimes you don't get any swing levels and then price retraces a lot. And so I've done extensive testing, and that's why I still prefer the 10 level trailing stop. All right, well, that's it for today. I'm going to step away. I'm not going to let myself try to get any more out of the day, especially it's 10:30 now. So the probability of having successful trades, at least for me and my bot, that's way less now. So I hope you had some good wins this morning, and I'll see you in the next one.